Welcome! So in this video, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix "It appears that Call of Duty did not quit." So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're encountering the error message "It appears that Call of Duty did not quit" while trying to play the game, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. So first, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can help fix temporary glitches, close any running applications, restart your device, and try launching Call of Duty again to see if the error persists. Update the game. Ensure that your Call of Duty game is up to date. Developers often release updates that address bugs and improve your performance. Check for any available updates in the game settings or through your device's App Store and install them if necessary. Clear cache or data if you are using your mobile device. So if you're playing Call of Duty on a mobile device, clearing the game's cache and data may help resolve the issue. Go to your device's settings, locate the Application Manager or Installed Apps section, find Call of Duty, and clear the cache and data associated with the game. Note that this will reset any custom settings or preferences within the game. So make sure you are comfortable with that before proceeding. Next is to reinstall the game. If the previous steps didn't work or didn't resolve the issue, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Call of Duty. This can help fix any corrupted files or issues with the game installation. Delete the game from your device, restart your device, then download and reinstall Call of Duty from the respective App Store. Next, check network connection. So ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Poor network connectivity can cause issues with launching and running online games like Call of Duty. Switch to a different network or reset your router if necessary. So the last thing that you can do is to contact support. If none of the previous steps work, it is recommended to reach out to the game's official support channels. They may have specific troubleshooting steps or be able to provide further assistance in resolving the issue. So remember to check for any specific troubleshooting steps or solutions provided by the Call of Duty community or the game's official support channels, as they may have additional insights or workarounds for this particular error message. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!